Good morning, everyone. It's me, SteveWB, and we're back in the oil field today. Now, I'm going to share one task with you today, and what the vlog is going to be about is we're going to be changing the battery on a Miller Bobcat 250, I believe, welding machine. And I think you have to take the machine apart for it. I don't know, I've never done it before, but we're going to check it out and let's see if we can get this thing running. All right, here it is, the Bobcat Miller 250. And what's wonderful about this little machine is the battery is way back in here, and the only way to get the battery out is you have to remove this panel right here. So, or that's what I read. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try to pull that back panel off and see if it's simple as that. So let's get started. Now, I have no intention of making this vlog or my daily vlog about repairs and how to repair certain machines and things like that, but there's only so much that I can cover out here, and I want to try to post and learn how to vlog and post stuff every day. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one task a day, vlog about that, see what kind of conversation comes out of it. I can try to do more stuff in the evenings as to, you know, what I'm doing to work towards my goals and achieve my goals of becoming a full-time videographer, YouTuber, cinematography, and the steps that I'm doing after hours to achieve those goals, because I've got to do my 12 hours a day and get that work done, and you know, that's just life. And the whole point of this vlog is to just get practice and get better at making vlogs. So once our family hits the road full time, I'll have the skill set necessary to make that vlog interesting and fun. That way I can blow that channel up, and we can start picking up sponsors for things like our RV and our campground sites, and, you know, etc. So just a quick little disclaimer about this vlog and where it's headed and the purpose of it. So with that being said, I'm going to get back to this welder and changing this battery, and I'm just going to bring you along with me. Okay, so from what I've read, you need a 3/8 and a Phillips screwdriver to get this back panel off. So let's take it off. And then you have to remove these 4 Phillips screwdriver heads, Phillips screws. And there you have it. There's the battery. All right. This is the battery hold down, which goes on the battery. Bolts are completely missing, so you know, somebody's been in here before, just didn't reinstall this. And then all we have to do is wiggle this terminal off, and then pull the battery out. Now it's time to just go find another battery. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the battery out, but my recording of where the bolt hole locations were did not happen for some reason. So just as a quick review, you have a screw or a bolt that goes here, here, and then if you come down to the side below the door, you have one here and one here. Come to the other side, you have one here and here. And what I had read was that you have 4 Phillips head screws on the back of this panel that you had to take off, and all those really did was hold this on. So you could probably leave those on, because there's no point in taking that off. I'm going to just reattach it before I put the panel on. And all this plastic cover is a cover for the generator head itself. Now that I've got this makeup video done, I'm going to go ahead and get back on finding a battery and getting this thing started. Alright, so I just sourced the battery. It's not new, but it should be good. But before I go to the trouble of installing it, I'm going to hook it up to this load tester just to make sure it's a good battery. We'll hook these up. It's already not showing very well. Put a load on it. Battery's weak, but it's been sitting for a while, so I think the battery is still good. I'm going to install it, and if it's not enough to turn it over, I'm just going to jump the battery off and let the machine charge the battery back up. So let's go ahead and stick this one in and see if it's good. Battery's almost too tall. Actually, it is too tall for this machine. Well, that sucks. I'm gonna hook it up anyway. See if I can at least get the machine running before I try to find another battery. Chances are I'm not gonna have one that's small, so I'm gonna have to order one. But at least you'll have some kind of closure on this to see this thing running. So let's check it out. Alright, well, I have enough juice in the battery to at least light this up. Choke is on. It's enough to turn it over, it's just not cranking yet. Trying until the battery dies, I guess. Alright, it's quite typical in my industry that things don't start, because sometimes things like this Welder machine will stick around for a while and just sit. And so I'm just going to pull this breather off and have a look down on the carburetor and maybe put some engine starter, if I can find some down in there, try to get it to pop off at least.